Hello, friends. Can you see me? Trying to do these videos has been a challenge because I'm not exactly sure how to set everything up. And because it's so cold outside, I can't go outside and do what I need to do. So I'm stuck in the house. Today I want to talk about lighting. I'm talking about the cold weather. Well, in the cold weather, you are typically going to find a garage to detail in. Also, you lose daylight earlier. Okay, it's too dark. You can't see what you need to see. I'm fortunate because my daughter and son-in-law have provided me with these lights. My friend Beth provided me with a headlamp, which it's not here, so I couldn't show you today. Having a headlamp in addition to these lights, you can get your job done. Let me show you. They're very bright, and they will get the job done. Typically, all you need is one, but the fancy thing about these lights is they have little handles, okay? So these little handles, they will hang up on the little hanger hooks in the back seat, and you can aim them to where they're lighting up your entire workspace. This is also a handy thing to have when you put it straight out like this, and you can shove it in between the headrest on your seats and point it towards the front. So these things are actually very helpful. Yes, you may go through quite a few batteries. This little light, I like it. It's very lightweight. It's very bright. It gets the job done, okay? So I'm going to be able to see everything I need to see very well. This LED lighting provides like a light of day light illumination, and that's what works best for me. So you're going to go through plenty of batteries on, say, these three right here. But this one I just got as a gift from my son-in-law, and it is rechargeable. In fact, if I happen to lose the charger, it's also the same as those phone chargers. It also has a USB connection if you need to charge it via USB. It's rechargeable. And I'm like, oh yeah, worth it every way. These lights can be very helpful to you as a detailer, especially in the wintertime. If you are detailing inside a garage and you don't have, like the big YouTubers, the fancy lighting in your garage, that's okay. Go get you Harbor Freight, Walmart, electric outlet stores. They all have these lights. So let's look at some of the brands on these. This is the Bell Howell. This one is the Hyper Tough. This is the rechargeable one. This is the AA battery. It takes 3 batteries, and the brand name on this is Farpoint. This is the Harbor Freight Find. And this one is the Smart Electrician. Electricians use these also. Don't be afraid to branch out into the other industries and find out what they use and helps them out. You can keep this in your vehicle and pull off doing some of this other stuff too. I'm in an emergency. I can make sure that I can get somebody's attention with that. And this one is cool. It unfolds. It is battery powered. It is AA. But see, you can do two sides if you point it the right way. You could put this on the center console between the seats and be able to point it up, and you can have all the light you need right there at the radio console and everything. These are just awesome tools to have. So I hope this helps you all with lighting. We are in that time of year where we need that lighting right now. This is a really good alternative to have when you don't have the fancy lighting. There are obviously other brands. My daughter has one that's a stick and it has a magnet at the end. You might see that in the kid holler video. That is one excellent rechargeable light. It swivels. I need it. I need like 5. Just saying. So anyway, that is my take on lights. I hope this helps you. So I hope you all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you on the next video.